Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add page numbers to a Word document starting from a specified, let's say, page where you want to start. So as you may already see, let's suppose that this is a report which we should submit, and this is the covering of our report. We have the table of contents, and in these two pages we do not want to have numbers, and we should, let's say, we want to add numbers from the page of introduction. And most of the time when we are going to insert and we are adding a page number, we are going, let's say, to add numbers at the bottom of the page. Probably we are going to have this issue when the numbering of the page starts since the first page and the second page, which is a thing which we do not want. So to do that, or basically to start the numbering from the introduction, I will show you how right now. So first of all, let's just click Ctrl Z to remove what we did. And as you see now, we want to add the page numbering over here, right? So what we should do is we should go at the beginning of the page where we want to start the numbering, and we should go to layout. Now we choose breaks and we choose next page. After we do this, now we are going to add the numbers, and of course we go to page number again, and usually I prefer to mark the numbering at the bottom right of my file. I just clicked over here, and as we may already see, we have the numbers and it's still the same thing has happened. But what we should do now is that we should go to page number and we should format the page numbers, right? And in here we should include starting from 1. And as we may already see, to the introduction we have the numbers which we want to start, which is 1. And now to let's say remove the number 2 and number 1 into the previous pages, we just going to click on link to previous. So we're going to be able to delete them. Now we go to the numbers which we want to delete, which are not needed, and we just select them and we click delete on our keyboard. And as we may already see, they are not here anymore, and the page numbers are correctly as we should want them, as we should. Also, if we go down, let's say this is a part of the report, we have the numbers correct, and the same thing it's going to be when we are going to have the preview of the print. You see, the first two pages which we do not want the number, we already do not have the numbers over there, while as for the other pages we do have starting from 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much guys for today. This is the video. Really hope you enjoyed it. It was helpful to you. Subscribe and like. Thank you.